Good morning. The forecast is a stormy one this week, though, for some of us, especially so the first part of the week and then the latter part of the week as well. Today, for many, it will be calm to start with, but the wet and windy weather will arrive later on in the afternoon, evening and overnight. Now, we've had a lot of showers through the course of the night, so there's the risk of ice. The rain, of course, falling on frozen surfaces across Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England and also Wales. But 9 o'clock in the morning sees quite a bit of sunshine, so a fine start to the day across Northern Ireland. Snow in the hills of Scotland, showers in the north and west at lower levels, and for the rest of Scotland, dry and bright. But here too, the risk of some ice and also some frost. Frosty cold start to the day with the risk of ice across the north of England, 1 or 2 showers, especially in the west, but some of them skipping across the Pennines. And then from the Midlands, East Anglia, all the way down to the south coast. A beautiful start to the day, but it is cold, and here and there you'll find some pockets of frost. 1 or 2 showers in the southwest of England, but nonetheless a fine start to the day and mostly dry across Wales. But here too it is rather nippy with the risk of ice on untreated surfaces. So through the day many of the showers will actually die away, except for in the west and around the hills, and we'll have a fairly quiet day with a fair bit of sunshine. However, you can already see what's happening in the west. The cloud will thicken, the rain will start to gather, and then the winds will also strengthen. So later on in the day, we could have as much as 60 millimetres. That's well in excess of 2 inches, and there's the risk of local flooding across parts of Wales and the southwest, accompanied by the strong winds, especially in southern areas, but more especially through the English Channel, easily gusting 60 miles an hour. By the end of the night, across Sussex and Kent, it could be gusting to 70 miles an hour. So we start off tomorrow on that windy note, the rain clearing away from the south. For many, again, dry, but some showers, some of which will be wintry in the west. And again, wintry across Scotland, especially the hills. But there is something I want to draw your attention to, and it's the risk of what could happen tomorrow. We're looking at gales, first of all, for Northern Ireland, around the Solway Firth, Northern England as well, and parts of Scotland. Now, for the central lowlands and south of the Grampians, we could also have snow above 200 metres. Couple that with the gales and we could well have blizzards. So if you are travelling tomorrow, do stay in touch with the forecast. The areas might just change.
OK.
All right, thank you very much.
Unemployment is at its highest level.